Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Dex here, back with another banger. We got an unboxing from Supreme Week 18, Spring Summer 2019. So a nice sticker pack here. Go ahead, open it up. Got the box logo. This one. It's a nice one. It says it gets better every time. The chick on it. We got this one too. Greetings from Supreme with the Twin Towers in the background. It's a very nice sticker. It's like the old, maybe like 60s style font. And this is the photo tee, size medium. Go to open it up. I believe you say his name, Buju Banton. A nice picture of the front. Then in the back, got this. Let's go ahead. I'm going to put it on, get an on-body viewing. So this is how it fits. Good fit for size medium. The shirt actually looks a lot better in person. I actually didn't think the graphic was as big as it is. It's like smaller on the website. Well, that's it for tonight. Peace out. Till next time.